Hi, my name is Arsen and I have exciting news for you. IRBIS is now available within ChatGPT. Let's have a quick dive into how it works.
With IRBIS Search AI, you just have to enter your account within ChatGPT, then press Explore GPTs, type in IRBIS Search AI, and then start chat. Then you can enter the phone number and press enter. Then ChatGPT will lead you to IRBIS register page. So you're just registering with your name, last name, email, and you're creating the password. And after that, you will have to enter eSpy's developer page. So then you are going to API developer and copying our API key. You're pressing copy and then pasting it into your chat with ChatGPT. After that, our AI engine starts working and it will provide you with the information regarding your input. It shows that lookup is complete. Then you can see name associations with the phone number you entered, location, avatars of the person, and the sources that we took information from.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest OSINT and AI news.